Hi everyone, I am Virender Man. Today I am here to represent my presentation of corporate accounting and my student ID is AZZ30239. I have prepared a
PPT.
I have prepared a PPT of my presentation. Let's start with the introduction. The final result related to the operation of a firm are shown and disclosed through a statement as known as income statement. The result related to the cash flow of the company that mainly through the sources from which cash is generated by a firm and the uses in which cash has been spent by the firm is shown and disclosed through a statement is known as statement of cash flow. And the last step of introduction is both have immense importance in the life of an organization and also in the life of each and every stakeholder that in any way depend on the company or has any kind of interest in the company. And the second slide which shows the importance of statement. The final result are always important. The result related to the operation of a firm are most important and these are shown as disclosed through income statement. Similarly, the result related to the cash flow of a firm including the result for the sources of each generation and the use of cash are shown and disclosed through the statement of cash flows. And the last type of important of statement, the final result related to the operation and the source and use of cash flow related to a firm are important for the investor of the firm. Now we are the third step of my presentation, sources and uses of cash in BPH Limited. In year 2019, 18 and 17, I am explaining the major source and dividend received in 2019 516 as compared to 2018 709 and in 2017 the proceed from interest bearing liabilities and the uses of BPH Limited in 2019 is 11,395 and in 2018 dividend paid 500 to 0. And we start with the next company. I am here represent the Santosh Limited source and uses of cash. At here in 2019 the receipt from customer amount is 4266 and in 2018 its amount is 73740. Now in this slide I am explaining the trend for continuing operation of cash flow of the three different companies of different year 2019, 18 and 17. In 2019 the cash flow of BPH Limited is decreased as compared to 2018. In 2017 the cash flow of the BPH company is low and increase in 18 and then decrease in 17. And the another one is the Santosh Limited. In 2009 the cash flow of this company is 2046 increase as compared to 2018 and in 2017 it is 1248 only. And now we are the last company Fantastic Limited. Here also showing the cash flow of the company in three different years. It start with the 2017 with 2750 at starting and in 2018 it will increase almost 17% with 1000 182 and in 2019 it will decrease by 830. Now in this slide I am talking about use of excess cash. BPH Limited has generated excess cash and has invested the same in various investing and financing activities. Investing activities mainly include the purchase of PPE and investing in equity accounted associate. In financing activity, the cash is used to repay the borrowing of 2020 and the Santosh Limited has generated excess cash and has invested the same in various investing and financing activity. Investing activity mainly include the purchase of asset related to its site explore and investing in subsidiaries. In financing activity, the cash is used to repay the borrowing Santosh 2020 and the final company Fantastic Limited has not generated excess cash and therefore has filled the cash deficiency through the cash obtained from borrowing and share issue 2020. And now we are on the next slide. Other item affected the cash flows. The major point include the depreciation and expenses along with the interest and financial cost. That has affected the cash flow of BPH Limited in 2020. The other major item include the borrowing cost along with the lesson liability payment that have affected the cash flow of Santosh Limited 2020. Other major item include the security deposit payment along with the interest and finance cost that has affected the cash flow of Fantastic Limited in 2020. And the next slide is I am telling about the financial strength of all three different companies. BPH Limited cash flow operation is 17,397 million. Dividend payment are 11,395 million. Repayment of borrowing is 2,514 million and the cash equivalent is 593 million 2020. And Santosh Limited cash flow operation in 2046 million. Dividend payment are 2051 million. Repayment of borrowing is 982 million and cash and equivalent are 1067 million in 2020. Evaluation for lending purpose of all the companies. For evaluating the three companies for lending purpose, the risk of default involved in each of the company has to be evaluated. BPH Limited has the least gearing among all three. It has able to generate the highest amount of cash from the operating activity among all three. The company has a long incurring heavy capital expenditure which shows the future potential as the company has. The company also net repayment of borrowing and the cash and cash equivalent of the company and also increasing with year based of all the equivalent of BPH. Thank you. I am to explain the. That's all. This is the end of my video presentation. Thank you.